Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about coughing. This channel is all about crypto and cryptopreneurship. And what can I tell you? We called it. We called it. I love it. Hate if you want, but we called it, baby. This is what we were saying. For weeks now, we were talking about a mini alt season that can extend into a full-blown alt season. We're not there yet, but we're seeing signs that this could be the case. We said that Bitcoin will reach 100K and then to take profits either into altcoins as we expected for Bitcoin to drop, range, and then alt season, or go above 100K, come back down in range, and then alt season. That's what we're seeing here. In order to keep safe, I said to get into Solana, to get into AI, to get into these kind of coins. I also made a thesis about American-made coins with a video. We're doing good. We're doing great. We're making money. We're making money, baby. That's all I gotta say. What you gonna drink some alcohol, take some profits, relax, enjoy. We're killing it, baby. Seeing the chat. Before I get to the chat, let's look at the charts. Let's look at what's going on right now. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is, and this is not working. Give me a second. Let's see. That's not working still. Give me a second again. Why isn't this working? Automatic del. No, that should be correct. Okay. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. So, looking at Bitcoin right now, 96,300. We said we're going to range in the low mid 90s or the higher 90s. We're seeing the low mid 90s right now. If we hold this range, guess what? Or if this becomes a range, guess what? We're talking alt season continuation, in my opinion. If we come back up, retest 100, maybe it'll come out into Bitcoin, a little bit into Bitcoin. If we break higher, make all-time highs. Once it settles down, once it settles down and ranges, then we may see alt season. That's what we're seeing here. But we're seeing, we called this massive cup and handle, this one right here, we called this the handle. We said we were begging you to buy. Once we break out. I said once we break out 72K, that's it. And what happened? Boom. That was it. So you just gotta appreciate and enjoy this. There's nothing much to say. I mean, it's a live stream about success right about now, right? Right about now, that's what we're saying. We saw altcoins here, currently going up on the daily, looking at the hourly, sees like we had a little bit of a drawback. It looks like we're coming back up. Go to the weekly, boom, we did good. If you got it when I told you, on the monthly, amazing. Now, let's be serious here for 1 second. If you've made huge profits, and huge profits at this point in time, I'm talking 300, 400% here. If you go into XLM and you made 400%, take some profits into Bitcoin or Solana. It's okay. Yes, it might keep on going up. Yes, it might, but you have to get used to taking profits. Bulls make money. Bears make money. Pigs get slaughtered. Take some profits into Bitcoin. Put it in Bitcoin, hold it. That's all I'm saying. Then if we get a massive drop, which we soon expect, you can use that Bitcoin to buy the drop. When do I expect this drop? The way things are looking towards the end of the year. End of the year, drop maybe before Trump takes office, unless the Trump taking office actually becomes sell the news event on its own, which I highly think it's unlikely, but it is a possibility. That's when we're waiting for one drop. Or Trump takes office, things skyrocket, then we have a drop. But we're definitely going to have a drop at some point. But until then, enjoy. Take profits into Bitcoin. When I say take profits, I don't mean sell all your stellar position here. If you've made 50,000, take 25,000 into Bitcoin. Don't be greedy. Now, you have to understand, because I get a lot of backlash sometimes on this taking profits. And you have to understand the difference. If you are investing $100 and you've made $300 or $400, you're like, oh, I'm gonna hold till I die. No, I get it, I understand. That's okay. Don't worry about it, just hold. That's fine. If you invested $50 in XRP, you could do the same, right? It doesn't matter. But if you invested $20, $30, $40, $50,000 in a coin, and you're making $250,000 and you don't take profits, you're a complete fucking moron. So you have to distinguish the difference between getting in a coin and getting in a coin. So when I say take profits, obviously if you have invested more, you have more risk, because making $250,000 is not as easy as making $1,000, especially if you're young. If you're working, you're making that every week almost, right? Or every month, or hopefully something like that. But if you're not, and you're older and you made $250,000, or even if you're younger and you made $250,000, maybe take some profits. I'm just saying. Right, at 100,000, I told you to take 98,000. I told you to take profits. We took profits. We got into some alts and we took profits into Bitcoin mostly, and even USDT actually at this point. Then we used USDT to buy the altcoins when we saw we had continuation there. It's all in the group. You can go check it out. VIP group. So in the links down below. Different style of video today. I wasn't ready to go live. I was celebrating too much. Let's see. Look at this. 96,000. Looks like we're going to range. Let's see in the hourly to see if that's the case. Maybe around 93. As I said, 93 is not an impossibility. We went all the way down to 95, which I called. I said we're going to go down to 95 once we hit around 99. Well, 98,000. I said to take profits. We're probably going to hit 99. We shaved 100. Some exchanges printed 100. This was a good trade, guys. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm expecting rounds of applause from you, but I can't hear you. I can only read you. So let's read the comments. That's what we're going to do. We're going to be reading the comments. We're going to be drinking whiskey. And I'll be answering your question. Hit the like button if you made money. Seriously, hit the like button if you made money. If you did not make money, hit the like button if you are planning and going to make money. Let's make some affirmations here, okay? If you made money, or if you are going to make money and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, maybe not clap your hands, but maybe click the like button. If you're happy and you know it, click the like button. Okay, I'm not drunk, by the way, just saying. William Weiss, yo, what's up, my man? How are you? Brian K. saying, Paul, after the stream, I have a cardboard sign made to stand in the corner, will work for altcoins. I can smell. That's funny, man. Bill S, my man, let's go. Yasu Paul, what's up? Dampa saying, Paul, did you hear about Lucky Coin? No, I did not. This is the OG Doge before the folk. No, it was not. It is older than Doge. I don't care. Tell what you think. I think it's BS. Will Lucky make 100x? I don't know. Depends how you can convince people that it is what you're saying it is. No one gives a shit. Bells was before, Bells, I think it was Bell Token or something like that before Doge. That didn't do shit. Or was it from the same creator? I can't remember. You're listening to Kyle, what's his name, too much. I think, if he's talking about that. I know he talked about Bells in the past. Not sure about what Lucky is. But yeah, I don't really care, man. There's so much money to be made right now. You realize that when I was telling you that meme coins are going to stop running, this is our favorite altcoins. These are our meme coins. Let's go to the daily, sorry. Let's go to the weekly. This is meme coins, and these are our meme coins, right? And these are our favorites. What would you prefer to hold? Seriously. I think I prefer the favorites. Suica was kind of a letdown, to be honest. Let's see if that ramps up again. But other than that, we're doing good. By the way, called Ty in the group will be making a video about this. I've already made the video, will come out, but the group gets the information first. Why? Because obviously it's easier to post there. So they get the information first, so you would have made a nice 56% extra if you were in the group. Again, in the description down below. And the price is going up after Black Friday. After the weekends, whatever, the price is going to go to $69 a month at least. It might even go to $89. I haven't decided yet, a month. So if you want to get in at $49 and keep that $49 price mark, you better get in now because the price is going up. The only reason I haven't put it up yet is because the group, I decided to keep the same price for the group just because of a vote. So we have a bit of a consensus in the group there. So, yeah, that's what's going to happen. So, let's see what else. Any other questions? And I do want to talk to you, by the way. I want to talk to you about a few narratives that are coming up. So, please ask away. I want to talk to you about what I'm seeing in the market, so please ask away. You want to get into AI right now, obviously, and you actually want to get back into gaming slowly. You might want to get into IMX. It's lagging. Now, will IMX go up? Well, let's analyze this, okay? We saw some old gaming coins come up, things like Sand, things like Mana. That tells me that we may start shifting into gaming. Why? Because now everyone's talking about AI. When I was talking about AI, everyone was talking about gaming. So it's a bit of a contrarian view. Both can go up, by the way. We're holding both portfolios. We're seeing different old coins start climbing. You got new people. We got retail coming in now. I know this because of my views. I know this because of the coins that are pumping. So you're seeing this. Let me do this for you here. I'm gonna post something from my group. I'm gonna give you the so this is so you can also see kind of what happens in the group. Okay, kind of what happens in the group. Give me a second. Let me help you. Let me give you some alpha. Let me give you some secret shit from the group right now, okay? There's some secret shit. I don't really want to dox him. Let me see if I can hide his name. There you go. All right. There you go. I don't think I'm gonna dox him if I do this. There you go. Okay. So this is a post from my group, okay? You get to see a post from my group today. All right? This is after I recommended IMX. So it says, Paul, can I ask what has made you make decision to get back into IMX, please? I'm trying to learn how to spot lagging plays. Is it simply because we can see the alt season starting? Gaming is big, narrative, this alt season, and IMX is blah, blah, blah. Okay, doesn't matter. All right, Wesley. Oh, shit, I just doxed. I thought I was hiding his name. Wesley, I'm sorry, dude. I love you, man. I hope you don't mind getting doxed, bro. I hope you don't mind getting doxed. All right, but let's see. So might as well show the whole post here. So here's what I wrote. In a nutshell, in anticipation of some gaming coins starting to take off, increased probabilities of IMX also making a move as we see older coins also get attention. This could be retail, but either way, IMX is a gaming blue chip, so no big risk. And I got it from profits from other positions. So it's more a conversion. So while we are not 100% sure it's still a good risk, reward play, when we're not 100% sure, it's still a good risk reward play in my video, in my views, obviously. This is me like auto-correcting. If I am wrong, we got out of IMX and made gains with it in other plays anyway. So it makes sense and won't cost us. In other words, we got out of IMX and we got into other coins such as Solana, such as other coins I can't remember right now. So this is all profits anyway. So we took profits back into IMX, which we got back out of, which was lagging, if that makes sense. So it's still a good risk reward. If I am wrong, we got yeah. So it doesn't cost us anything. Then if you look at the chart over here, and this is some different alpha than normal technical analysis, because we broke out of the yearly chart, and keep in mind it's end of the year right now. We broke out of the yearly chart, and while this alone does not justify getting in as we need to make support, it's sage, I don't know what I'm saying here, is to say we can have a mental stop loss below resistance area, break and get a little earlier than normal. So basically what I'm saying here, we just broke out of resistance. We can actually buy right now since of the narratives we saw before and expect it to make a range here, expect it to make to hold. If not, that means we're wrong. We may be too early for the narrative, so it's okay. Since we got back with profits, it's okay. So I'm breaking the rules a bit with a calculated risk. Does that make sense? So we're getting in as action picks up because it's a good risk reward in my opinion right now. This is the yearly chart. People are focusing on AI, which is the other thing. But when people are focusing on the gaming, we were in AI. So it's a bit of a contrarian view. So basically that's what I saw. That's why I said to get into IMX right now. And again, mental stop loss and so on. So it makes sense. Now I'm not articulating myself very well today. It's kind of weird. I wasn't ready to go on live. I'm a bit all over the place, but you get the drift. But that's the kind of thing to expect from the group. And it's like $49 a month right now. And if you don't get in right now, it's going to be $69 or $89. when you after Black Friday. So check it out, see if it's for you. Maybe go to the link, read about it, see if you like it, and then decide. Let me drink some water, guys. All right. Let's go to more questions here. Paul, does literally moon phases matters in crypto, or am I going crazy? You're going crazy. Bread to $1. Not sure if it will go to $1, but it could like do very well. What's Bread right now? Let's have a look. By the way, you should be looking at altcoins, not meme coins. I warned you about that, and we were right. You should be looking at altcoins right now. But Bread at 15 cents, yep, it could get to $1. It could definitely get to $1. Pretty easily, as a matter of fact. Not because it's a meme coin, but because it's a bet on Base chain, right? As new people come in, they go through Coinbase. Base is their Web3. That's where Bread is. It's a bet on Base. We talked about that as well. But that's later on. It's getting hot in here. Give me a second. Honda, my man. Never able to watch your videos live, but able today. Awesome, man. Have been following you for a while. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. You're very welcome, bro. You're very welcome. Billion says, what do I think about quant? It's pumping right now. I'm sure it is, man. I hope you mean quant and not the other word that I just said. I hope that's a typo, man. Because, yeah, it might be pumping for many reasons. I don't know whose one you're talking about. I'm not into quant, if that's what you mean. QNT, yeah. So you mean quant, sorry. I'm not into quant. I'm not saying it's not good. I just think it's we rode the hype. We got profits. We got out. That was it. Back in the day. I think there are much better coins out there. Yeah, it might be a good project. If you're saying take profits before the end of the year, are you anticipating an alt season for the first 2 weeks of December? Yes. Quite possibly. Quite possibly. I want to see if this is going to be a continuation, because I said we're expecting a mini alt season regardless. We just got it. And I said we might extend and it will be a continuation into a full-blown alt season. I've been saying this for weeks, and that's what we got. So let's see what happens right now, correct? That's what we want to see. It might very well be a full-blown alt season. We'll see if it's a continuation, if it extends from a mini alt season, which I've been calling. So if that plays out, the calls I've made are insane. Is it safe to hold profit in USDT? Yes, it is. The reason I say to hold it in Bitcoin is because with Bitcoin, you're still exposed to crypto as you're going up. And if you actually get a dump, you can actually use the Bitcoin to buy alts, because Bitcoin typically falls less than alts. So if it ranges, alts go up. If it goes up, alts can go up. But if it dumps down, alts get destroyed. Like I don't know, like a $2 hooker in Taiwan. Brother Paul, sell XRP bags in XLM, put it in Bitcoin now. No, but you could take some profits from XLM, and you could take some profits from XRP when I told you, but you didn't. Look, when it comes to XRP, I said to buy from 72 cents to $1 in anticipation for it to break $1 and go to $4 or $7 by the end of this bull market. So if you bought in that range, you're good. You don't need to do anything. Hold XRP right now, obviously. If it comes back down and makes $1 resistance, then you might want to slowly get out. And if it goes below 72 cents, that's your exit. So I gave you the move before it happens, okay? I gave you the move, what to look out for before it happens. So, pay attention. See if you can play that move. As for Stellar, I told you to buy. I didn't tell anyone to get out yet, but if you've paid 300% up, maybe take some profits into Bitcoin or Solana. Brother Paul, sell XRP bags. Oh, we just answered that. Drop the market around the holidays. People need to cash out to shop for gifts. Bitcoin and alt seasons. See, this is Shane. I understand your and yes. Oh, it's your gut instinct. Okay. So there's something to say about seasonality. Generally speaking, around Christmas, everything's pretty bullish from November up. And people, and yeah, I do start taking profits around there because I don't try to time the exact top. So you do have a point. But because you said this is my gut instinct, I like that. But if you were making like a point, like this is what's going to happen, I hate that. So props to you, my man. Adrian Z. Adrian, I always wondered, man, why do you have ZZZ? Like, is it like you're sleeping? It's like Adrian Z. Or are you a bee? Is it like a sleeping thing or are you a bee? Anyway, hey Paul, because I've been watching you, I've been seeing you for a while now. Hey Paul, I made out of $300, $20,000, amazing. Took out 4,000, amazing. The rest gone to zero next 30 minutes, fucking me. Yeah, exactly. And that's why, especially with meme coins, I kept on saying, take profits fast. Unless you're holding my favorite meme coins, which you actually can hold, which I've made videos about, by the way. You should actually check out the videos, just so we can be on the same page here. If you go to my channel, I've made so many videos like this as well, not just one. So if you go to my videos here, this is where we called Stellar and all these coins doing well, by the way. This is something that's funny you should watch, by the way. Elon Musk's secret plan with stuff. Just watch it. But watch all of it because there's some huge alpha towards the end, right? Where were we? Look at this. Over 40 and thinking of buying meme coins. My honest take. This was a warning, but also which ones to hold. And then this one. Over 40. Here's why I'm only holding these meme coins. The reason I'm putting over 40... obviously, is to target some people, but also it's a bit more conservative, but you can still make a lot of money, right? So, and when I say a lot of money, I mean a lot of money. So maybe you should check those out, even if you're under 40. I'm 48 though, well 47, but who's counting? This whiskey's like, how old is this whiskey? Established in 1820, that's probably the company. I don't know how old this whiskey is. I do know it's the blend of their rarest whiskeys. I think it's very rarest. It's Johnny Blue. Don't know if you guys know it. It's my favorite one. But I don't know how old it is. Harry just joined. Awesome, man. Thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome, I mean. Shama, man. Brother Paul, will Bitcoin go to 200,000? Quite possibly. We've been calling for $100,000 to $140,000 Bitcoin, and we said if that breaks, then we're looking at $180,000 to $200,000. Why am I saying when that breaks? Because that depending on when that 140,000 comes in, it might be the top or it might be a drop. Which, if it's the drop, we'll get back in depending on the charts and ride it to 200,000, or maybe even take profits 140, depending when you are in the market. But if it's towards the end of the bull market, in my opinion, then we're probably not going to get back in and just ride altcoins for a little bit more and get out and maximize our profits. That's what we did a few times. I mean, the last bull market, we called the double top. We called the double top. As we were coming down, we called the top. We were coming down, we called 30,000. We actually got to 29. But we called 30K as a temporary bottom. I said we're probably going to have a double top. And if we don't get above, and if we don't make that support, then it's the end of the bull market. And that's what happened, right? That was the top of Bitcoin. And then we made some money in alts. We timed it perfectly. We also called Bitcoin at 15.6K before it got there. Don't believe me? Look at my videos. Look at my videos. I actually won a bet with Gareth Soloway because I called this before it even happened, right? So, very underrated. Check back my videos. Yeah, we got a couple of calls wrong as well. Didn't get everything right. But yeah, now I have people in my comments, XRP Army coming back as soon as we had a little pump. Oh, see, you were wrong. This didn't age well. It aged perfectly. I always said, stay out of XRP. We got out before the SEC situation. Told you to stay out and to stay out unless we break 72 cents. And as soon as we break 72 cents to buy, because we're going to have much higher prices. That's all I said. And then now, all of a sudden, they went, aha, see, ha, ha, ha. They missed an entire bull market, half of this one, and they're still talking shit. They still don't comprehend what they did. They have no concept of opportunity cost. And for those of you saying, ha, 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 you got out of Raydium, ha, 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 look at it now. I got out of Raydium at $10. $10. And it's still not $10. And yes, even though I did get out and put it into Terra Luna, and Terra Luna dumped, you have to understand it 20x before it dumped. But yes, that was a black swan. I didn't get it. I lost the Terra Luna. Thank you. Thank you for laughing at me. Thank you. Thank you. You're still poor. We were in Solana. We got into other coins. I love my haters. I love you, baby. Mwah. I love my haters, baby. So yeah, please keep hating. Those of you wishing I died of cancer while I was fighting cancer because I said SafeMoon is a scam and to get the fuck out. I'm still here. 3 times. 3 times. So yeah, and those of you who say, hey, well, I hope you did that. Yeah, I'm still here, baby. I'm sorry to disappoint you. So anyway, still bald though. Still bald. You know, it's funny, when I had cancer, I was going in like for my checkups and everything after my chemo. Like, how do you feel? I'm like, I lost my hair. And then the last time I had CAR T therapy, where it was like I had to like sign papers that I might die and everything because there was a chance I would die. A very dangerous procedure and everything. Plus I went through it 3 times, so it was extremely hard. And they're like, what's gonna happen? Like, they're like, what do you feel? I'm like, listen, doc, I'm gonna make it. I bet my life on it. It took a while for them to catch on. But anyway. They just thought I was insane for laughing and taking it as a joke. But I had some hard times as well. It wasn't always fun and jokes. But regardless, hit the like button. Hit the like button for support, man. Hit the like button to support this channel. I was telling you, screaming to you to buy Bitcoin at 16,700 while I was in hospital in chemotherapy, and you could see me on videos with fucking cables running up my neck for CAR T therapy. Telling you, please buy Bitcoin. No eyebrows and shit. I was like, and then I had some people was like, oh, this guy's pretending to have cancer now so he can get the views. Yeah, I paid a hospital to put a fucking piece of shit in my neck so I can fucking get views. That's what I was doing. Right on, man. Right on. Oh, God. Let's see what we have. Any more? I digress. Let's see if we have any more questions. He got cancer so he can get the views. I'm doing good, Mo Crypto. How are you doing, bro? Harry, what do you think of my entry? 0.42 on Sui. Everything's good. I'm not holding Near or Pendle. I like trading Near. I'm not in Pendle at all. I prefer holding Fetch. I think Fetch is very undervalued. AIOS, I think it's got more to go. But we'll see how it goes. Helios from California. Helios means Helios. Hellos. Hellos. I was about to say Helios means sun in Greece, but you're saying hellos. Got it, man. Hello. How you doing, Henry? Raul, what happened to ETH? What happened to ETH? I'm not sure what you mean. ETH looks good on the all-time charts. It looks very good. Daily we're under. Let's look at the weekly. Still in range. I wouldn't worry about Ethereum right now. It's doing well. Looks good on the weekly. Looks even better on the monthly. Not sure what you're talking about, man. I bought Fetch when you did. Cut off the envelope same time with you. You are the king. Thanks. Cut off the envelope. Not sure what you mean, my man, but I'm still holding Fetch. I actually bought more now. Is this a small sell-off before 100K? Very possible. We're going to range for a while as well, man, which will be great for altcoins. I was kind of hoping, and this is hoping, we would range above 100K, but 90 to 95 or 95 to 100 is good enough, man. I actually think it's better that way. Because in my thesis that the top will come in towards the end of the mark. Look, you want a drop. I'm talking about temporary top. You want a drop before Trump comes out. Otherwise, you're going to get it after. And if you get the drop before you get it out the way, then Trump coming out into office will probably extend the bull market. Sorry, give it momentum rather than, having to trade that shit again. Where were we? According to you right now, which coin isn't easy for 10x? Raul, you've been watching my channel for a while. I know you have because I see you in the comments a lot, and I really love you, and I really thank you, and I really appreciate you for that. You know very damn well I never say something is an easy 10x, and I always go by portfolios, even if I do have a 10x, so I can make sure I actually make some money, even if that doesn't become a 10x, right? So I could tell you, yeah, for AI, Fetch may be a safer 10x. ChainGPT may be a faster one once it hits in. GFAL, Miria might also be 10x's when gaming, but that's not the way this works. Like, that's not the way it works. Have a look at my screen. Let me show you something. And I'm not telling you to do this, but have a look at my screen right now. These are the biggest positions, not the biggest positions, but some of the positions I have, and some are smaller, some are bigger, when it comes to coins listed on Crypto Bubbles. These are my favorites, meaning I'm holding at least some of these coins. So if XLM goes up, HBAR goes up a lot, and something else doesn't, I'm still making money. Does that make sense? All year we've been making money, right? And yeah, we had a few of them that went down here that we have to wait and see if they come back up later. But still we made, and that's why you should look at portfolios. And that's why you should watch my portfolio videos. Pixels just broke resistance. I'm all in Pixels, man. I have a very big position on Pixels. Should you go all in? No. When I say I'm all in, I don't mean I'm all in literally. I mean you should have a big position. I wouldn't go all in. It's more of a riskier play. So if you have IMX, for example, Miria, Pixels, a couple of other coins, then it makes sense to have like a big position in Pixels, like 20% of that, for example, if you want to be riskier. Hey, Paul, how high can Tron? I don't know, dude. I'm not tracking Tron. I use Tron for fees. Public service announcement. If you want to make money, buy the crypto Paul suggests, period. Thank you so much, Brian. I really appreciate you, man. A lot of people from the group in the live channel today, by the way, as well. All making money, making all kinds of gains. All kinds. And that's the Hodge twins reference, not an Ivan on Tech reference, for fuck's sake. Rocket under 1 million, even though I love Ivan on Tech. Rocket under 1 million market cap, I don't know. No, it sounds like a shill, man. I'm not sure. Ethereum about to go. How do you think Arbitrum will perform? I think, look, we don't need so many chains in layer 2s generally, guys. We just don't. They run on hype. And generally speaking, you don't need them. You don't. You need a few. Arbitrum's okay. But there are other chains as well. Like, do you really need Arbitrum this, that? And you did 1,000 different old... You just don't need them. So, I don't know, man. I'm not in Arbitrum generally. I have a couple of coins. I'm trading on Arbitrum. That's why I hold it, so I can have the gas fees. I'd rather hold SUI. Paul, does we enter an alt season, or is this a sign? We are in a mini alt season. This is a bit of the nothing goes up in a straight line. We're going to see if it extends into an alt season. Brother Paul, Daryl says, I only got in crypto because of XRP guy told me to buy it and never sell it. Well, that's a good thing. Then it's good that you're in crypto. Then he did you a service. Then that XRP guy is a good guy. As long as you diversified. Otherwise, you go into crypto and you still have the same amount of money. Maybe you 3x the tops. But it doesn't matter. It's good. I like him. I like him. Say the crypto factor approves. So yeah, I guess there is a use case and there is a good thing about XRP. Render estimate price prediction. Render can do very, very well. There's no price prediction I'm going to give there. Orange showing some movement. Yes, it is, finally. With links do well. I think it will. Not sure, man. But I do know Linear Chain will do well. Hopefully. Would you recommend exiting once you hit your financial targets, or should you continue to DCA for hires? So, there's a saying for investors and traders. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Meaning you can make money by being bullish and longing the market. You can make money by shorting the market if you're bearish. But if you're a pig, you get slaughtered. Pigs are the greedy ones. So if you made $1 million and you don't get out, you're a fucking moron. If you make $1 million and take out 950,000 and leave 50,000 in, you're good. You're golden. See if you can make it into more. Then you don't care if you lose it. Hey Paul, look at Blender, bro. It's doing good. I'm not really interested in Blender, Mohammed. I'm sorry, man. If it's a full-blown alt season, you can't go into every single narrative in cryptocurrency. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't. You can't keep on chasing whatever does good. People were chasing sand today because it was doing well. What happened? Or whatever, Stellar. It drops after a while. Don't chase. Try and be there before. Sure, you can buy as it going up and then take profits, but don't just keep on going in. It doesn't make sense. You have to be a little bit more calculative, if that makes sense. Sometimes it does make sense, but very rarely. But I'm not going to go chase every coin that's pumping right now. That's stupid. Stick to AI, stick to gaming, stick to your coins, and that way you don't get confused and you don't lose sleep and you don't get overstressed. Your brain can only handle so much. What are you going to do? Start trying to sell 50 different altcoins? Or if a narrative goes bad, or another narrative, we're going to start trying selling, going over here, and everyone comes over here, and you're going to go over there. No. It doesn't work that way. If this is a full-blown alt season, after a mini alt season will continue until April. We don't know how long. It can continue to the end of the year, or even a month, but the gains you're going to make are going to be so substantial you won't care. Should I still hold Sui? Seems to be lagging. Yeah, it's one of my big positions. If you are holding Solana, Sui should be 1/3 of that. If we are wrong, we're wrong. But I'm going to keep holding my Sui. We'll see how it goes. If I see it keeps on lagging, it depends, because it depends on how narratives shift as well. So you have to look at the whole picture and look at the narratives and then see where you want to play, if that makes sense. But you don't want to just keep on selling shit straight away. Give it a chance. Give it some time. Let Solana go up. Let Solana pump. And then see how Sui pumps while Solana's pumping. And if it's still lagging and going down, then maybe we consider taking some out into other plays. And then you get into other plays that can pump faster, a bit riskier. You can get into those, pump faster, as long as it's the narrative, and then take it out and come back in or whatever, just like we did with IMX, if that makes sense. Did I hear about the 13-year-old kid that rug pulled everyone 3 times? Yes, and serves them right for being complete fucking morons. Yeah, good. A 13-year-old taught something very valuable to people that are a lot older. Why would you go invest in a fucking 13-year-old? You must be insane. Like, what's wrong with you at this point? And that's where you know meme coins were getting too much. And by the way, when the narrative shifts, meme coins, meme seasons, they're going to be rarer. There's only a few meme coins that are going to do well, so everyone's going to get wrecked. Everyone telling you getting into meme coins, buy meme coins on the dips, they're all already getting wrecked. They're going to get even more wrecked. And I've been telling you for a while. I've been telling you which meme coins to get into, which ones not, and where to take profits because of this. If you don't listen, not my fault. And you know what? I see it with my coaching calls as well. Sometimes I tell them, listen, you're overexposed to meme coins, they don't listen. And I try to explain, listen, you're overexposed for a meme coin. They don't listen, and guess what happens after? Yeah, you were right. Paul, you were right. I got wrecked. I lost all these profits. And you know what? It keeps on happening. It happened last year as well. I was telling them, I remember I had in the group, I was telling them, stop shilling meme coins, stop. I made so much money and this and that. Got wrecked. Paul, I got wrecked. I lost everything. And now it's probably going to start happening again pretty soon. Also, your thoughts on Sei. We got out of Sei into Sui a long time ago, man. Full-blown alt season main narrative go up together. Oh, well, others more than others, bro. Others more than others. Even in the full-blown alt season, you have certain sectors, certain altcoins that outperform. The Nvidia stock of altcoins, if you will. Thoughts on AI fund? I'm not in AI fund. Don't even know what it is. Are we ready for lower prices? Are you ready for lower prices? I don't know, man. We'll see. Destroyed like a yeah. That's the only. Hey, Paul. I went away from crypto for a few months and recently realized that render went to render. Do I still need to convert my bag? Is it an issue? Yes, if it's on a centralized exchange, maybe not, depending on the centralized exchange you are in. If you are in any centralized exchange that actually holds its weight, it should do it for you. If not, then you should watch my video on how to convert it ASAP. And it should be this one right here. Urgent, migrate render to render ASAP. This was 2 months ago, by the way. But yeah, this is how you do it. Step by step. Very easy to do, okay? Just boom, boom, boom. Do it yourself. I don't trust exchanges. Sometimes time goes by, and then you end up losing your shit. Paul, thoughts on GFL Almeria? They will run again once gaming runs again, and yes, they can very easily do a 10x. XRP Armor says exit liquidity. I stupidly bought Arbitrum at $1 and now I'm at a loss. Take the loss, exchange for something else that's going up, bro. Sup, homies? Do I sell Shiba Inu and move back to something else? It depends what else you're holding, what your strategy is. These are questions that cannot be answered. And I know a lot of YouTubers give straight answers. And for me, that's unresponsible and out of context. I don't know what else you're holding. I don't know what you're thinking about putting it into. There's a whole bunch of shit. Should you take profits before the end of the year for AI coins? You should take profits on almost everything towards the end of the year once it's up enough. Regardless, you can always get back in. Do you like Jura whiskey? Never tried it. I'm a Johnny Blue man. Even though I might try something else next time. I'm not much of a drinker, by the way. I only drink on live streams now and then. Yes, I think even now, I'm not gonna drink 3 or 4 glasses. I've had a glass up to here, and that's it. That's it. I'm done. My drinking days are gone. I used to drink a lot. I used to go out at night, so much so that if I saw somebody in the daytime, I wouldn't recognize him. I would only recognize him at night, and vice versa. Seriously, I'm not joking. That's not a pun. That's real. Someone left a super chat. Thank you very much. Let's go down to it, shall we? You're the man, Bill S. Thank you, man. Love you, man. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you, bro. Should we take... where are we? Yes, I think finally in an alt season, the alts are getting stronger. They're definitely peaking up to there, yes. How much Casper should everyone have in their portfolio? 80%, 90% of what? Probably around 5%. Depending on the size of your portfolio. Bring all the hate comments now. That's actually pretty large for a crypto portfolio. Paul, filling your curiosity about my name. Adrian is English version of my original name, Adrias. And ZZZ is like 223 in reverse, 322. All right, cool. Flip on this. All right, got you. Okay, forget it. All right, cool. But cool, I think. When are you estimating end of the bull run? Well, it was end of 2024, beginning 2025. I was leaning to that theory until we consolidated. We actually went down and corrected for so long, and I said, okay, this is going to extend. So now I'm looking at mid-2025, maybe towards the end of 2025. That's the Bitcoin top, by the way, but let's see. Thoughts on Barra, how much do you own? 0. Soloway is laughing stock on Twitter for his trades. When do you think meme coins will pump again? Don't know, don't care. I have my meme coin bag, my long-term meme coin bag. Watch my meme coin videos. That's like a lottery. It's not it's not something you should be into right now. That was for before, when I was telling everyone to get into meme coins, when everybody was saying get out of meme coins and making fun of me. That's when you be in meme coins. That's when we called Pepe. That's when we called Pooh, got out with profits. That's now everyone's in meme coins. Come on. Now you just hold a bag, put it to the side. It's a lottery. Is Sui a good buy? I don't know. I can't answer because I'm in Sui for so long. I'm in profits, even though it went down. I don't know. But Sui could be, would be part of your portfolio. Good morning, Paul. I keep thinking that I have FOMO to get rid of everything too early from writing my profits back down to the cycle. Any suggestions? Yeah. You're in the VIP factor. That you're already good. Don't sell yet, man. Just don't do it yet. Just follow the group. Why are markets pumping and dumping based on Packers games? And I don't know what you're talking about, man. Paul, but does Bitcoin go up 50% every cycle? Does Bitcoin go up 50% every year? No, because there are some years where it goes down as well. Binance promotes stamps in SRC20. Will they? Oh, I hope so. I hope so. We have quite a bit of stamps in SRC20 tokens. But we got in before they even listed on anything. We got in using fucking... When I was making videos about SRC20 tokens, I was the first or second person to make videos. We got in before people knew how to do it. We were buying on GitHub. So we made massive profits regardless. And if you're watching my channel, you would have gone in. You'd still be in profit. All right, so you're not sleeping forever. Okay. We need a cure for cancer. So often we hear 5 years away. Yeah. Thank you, man. Solway Gareth cost me my 15K. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm glad we're at the point where you can look back and joke about it. I was joking about them back then too, man. But thank you. Yeah, I got cats for the views. Will Powell go to $4 to $6? Can AIOs 10x from here? Both can 10x. Especially Paul. Will KSM go to all time? I don't know what KSM is. We got so many questions today. I'm kind of skipping over them as well. Well, no, I'm not skipping over any, but I'm giving like one answer. There's some that I just don't feel like doing. Like I gave you winning trades. I gave you winning portfolios. I gave you winning coins. And you're asking me about random coins. Now's not the time. Now we know what to get into. Look at my crypto portfolios. Make some money. Stop chasing every damn coin you hear on YouTube. Top 5 Solana coins to hold other than Solana. Didn't forget the DeFi. Gonna make a video this week. One of them's a sponsored video. It's TAI coin. And I actually called it, if you see that video, I already recorded it. I literally bought that coin in the video, even though I didn't have to. Because I saw it was bullish and it went up 68%. And I think it's still bullish. So watch the video for my thesis on that. Let me see if I can, maybe I could show you insider's view real quick here. Give me a second. Yeah, look. I just bought this Solana coin in the video. Here's why it's huge. This video is coming out tomorrow, more than likely. And then I'm gonna have some coins, Solana coins as well, that I'm gonna make some videos. Would love to have an updated video of your top 10 or so high ranges at the end of the bull run. What? Would love an updated video on your top 10 or so coins price high ranges for the end of the bull run. Yeah, but I don't do that because a lot of my top 10 coins are new coins. So when you have a new coin that doesn't have price history, whenever it breaks all-time high, which happens because it's a new coin, it's always in price discovery and blue sky breakouts. So there's no way to call a top. So the best, if you look, I like to like track Bitcoin, maybe Solana, maybe ETH, and then kind of realize where the top is there and just realize if altcoins keep going, I keep on taking profits because I know it's going to end soon. So I don't look at individual prices of coins. I look at stages in the market and what main coins are doing. That's why I'm so successful at trades. That's why everyone keeps on thinking I call the top on every single coin. I don't. I just call the top on Bitcoin and then realize it's a couple of months till altcoins start falling. So you just keep on taking profits as it goes up. And the reason I'm so successful and make such a high success rate on all my coins is also because I don't make a lot of calls. I just make a few calls, and it's easier to be right? While every other YouTuber makes a lot of calls because they want views, I kind of like make the calls I need to make and not try to like get the views, if that makes sense, and the subscribers and everything. Kind of like technical analysis. Everyone does day trading because if they don't do day trading, they can't show charts every day. So if you're a technical analysis channel, you have to do day trading to show charts every day so you can get views. But no one's a day trader. Because if you were a day trader, you wouldn't be watching those videos. You get over emotional, I think, but it's so short term, it's irrelevant. I'm a swing trader. But if technical analysts try to do swing trading channels, they'll do a video every 2-3 months. So they won't get views. So I do technical overviews, like I did today, like I just overviews. And then maybe I'll do a technical overview in a video that's a little bit more detailed, but it's almost impossible to do technical analysis live anyway, right? Because it takes hours to do. And it doesn't serve you anyway. It doesn't work. By the time I tell you to take the trade, you would have already done it. Also, right, I hold a very small bag of peanut. And I called peanut before the pump, before that crazy, insane pump. I called it in the group. And some people got in. And some people, including myself, got into the wrong peanut on Ethereum. So even I make mistakes. I can see you've removed Orange from your favorite altcoins. No, I haven't. No. Orange doesn't show up because it's not in the top 1,000. So here, let me show you. If I go here and I put Orange, it's not found in the top 1,000. But I still hold Orange, just so you know. So I haven't removed anything, my friend. It's a long-term play. That's what I said before. If you didn't take profits, which you should have, because I told you to, then it's a long-term play. Cut of the envelope means he used to say you have made short videos on AI coins opening 100x. Wait, cut of the envelope means he used to say you have made short videos on AI coins opening 100x AI coins. Shah, thank you, but I still don't understand what you're saying. But thank you, but I don't understand what you mean. Pixels or GameSwift? Pixel is a bit more stable. GameSwift is a group of games. Pixel is one game, but Pixel has more of a community and backing and it's better price action. Darrell says, Brother Paul, could there be a last chance to transfer your wealth to bear market to crypto regulations kick in? What? Wait. No bear market to kick in. No. I think bear market will kick in eventually. Filecoin price prediction. I don't know, and we don't hold it because there are better coins than Filecoin out there. Oh, Frank, thank you for the super chat. Just saw that, man. Do you think Doge will hit $1 this cycle? Yes. Yes, I do. What do I think will happen during Black Friday? A lot of shops are going to be filled up. There's going to be fights in Walmart, and they're going to make fools of themselves yet again. If you're talking about crypto, I'm bullish as a whole this season. So maybe we have some downsides, but they're irrelevant. How high will XLM climb back after this bull market? Don't know. Only God knows. That's too much of a precise question to ask. Please, what do you think about Chainlink? I think Chainlink's going to go up. at some point, as soon as Ethereum starts moving, it's inevitable the Chainlink needs to move as well. And I've explained the reasons many times. Yo, brother Paul, how are... And I'm not spending too much money on too much time on each question because I really want to try and answer all of them. And then I want to go eat some ice cream. I bought some ice cream. Vanilla. It's a Move Eat. It's Swiss. It's really good ice cream. I'm serious. It's not a joke. I seriously bought some ice cream. I'm looking forward to eating it. Bropa, when Lambo, please, i.e. when XRP to trillions? Never. But we're getting close to the main bull market, the last stage of the bull market, so have some patience. Hey, Paul, just want to say good call, AVAX 2 weeks ago. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you, man. We made quite a few good calls, man. Quite a few. Any price targets for Aerodrome? No, but I'm very bullish because I'm bullish on base. You can't have a price target because it's a new coin. It keeps on going up, so it's always in price discovery every time it beats the last high. Hey Paul, hope you are doing well. What's your expectations for TAI? I don't know. I'm holding as a high risk move. I literally bought $500 of it. I went up to 800. I'm not even sure what it's doing right now. But I'm holding it. Maybe 20, 30x. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it goes to shit. I don't know. High risk part of AI portfolio. And if I want to add some more later, if I see an opportunity, I will. Casper looking very good on the charts, same level as last year. Most obvious play, term lagging calm before the storm breaks out. I semi-agree. I think Casper will do well, but something not moving on the charts for a year is not typically good. But I agree that Casper should be part of your portfolio anyway, small part. Hi, Paul. Can you see Casper having a comeback? Yeah, I think I'm not sure about the exchanges. But I do think Casper's going to do well later on. I just do. If you appreciate these answers, by the way, albeit short answers, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. If you are doing something that's stopping you, like, I don't know, driving the car, like doing 90 on the freeway, it's okay. Slam on the brakes, pull to the side, hit the like button, and then, you know, look out your rear mirror. Push gas. Hopefully you'll be okay. Don't worry about everyone. No problem. And if you're cooking and your phone is inside and you're wearing your earplugs, wireless, and you can't leave the cooking to go push the like button because you're going to burn your food, leave your food. Go hit the like button. Your food will burn. It's okay. Charcoal's good for you. They put charcoal in everything. They put charcoal in toothpaste now. So hit the like button. Just leave the cooking. You know, it's okay. If you're cooking for your husband, your boyfriend, just tell him it's for his health. Just that's what my girlfriend does anyway whenever she cooks, albeit she doesn't say it's for my health. but she burns the shit out of some food sometimes. But anyway, and if you're having sex and you're watching the Crypto Factor while you're having sex, it's okay. Hit the like button. It's not weird at all. Reach around her. She won't mind. Hit the like button. She's like, what are you doing? Just say, I'm liking the Crypto Factor. He's on live. He's like, oh, he's on live? She'll agree. She'll probably hit the like button too. Double like button. Double like. Oh, man. Yo, Paulie. How are you? Looks like Mavia is waking up. Yeah, about time, man. My port down today. Anyone else? Your portfolio is down today? Probably other people as well. If it's down, you were either in the wrong coins or you got in late. Shah, stop. Yeah, Mohammed, stop asking the same question over and over again, man. Aerodrome, I don't know how high it can go, but it should be part of your crypto portfolio as a base portfolio bet. Shah, please warn people before you delete messages. Just tell them, listeners, don't repeat, or we have to delete, if that makes sense. Harry says, my wife is asking when exiting the market, how much of any crypto should you hold? You should get rid of almost everything except Bitcoin. Best case scenario. Maybe you can hold some Solana. If you're left over with some Sui, if you had a massive run, but you don't want to be holding anything. You want to get out of everything, man, except Bitcoin. Maybe some Casper as well. But I'm not sure yet. Do you think we start to close a CME gap? I don't look at CME gaps because they usually get filled on the down. They don't always get filled on the downside. More than likely on the upside, or vice versa. I can't even remember since my trading days, to be honest with you. But I don't look at CME gaps when it comes to crypto. And I know a lot of people think it's important, but crypto shouldn't really have any gaps. It's only in the stock market that have gaps because of the opening and closing. Crypto is 24 hours. So yeah, whilst some of them get filled and everything, it's usually either a self-fulfilling prophecy, or sometimes it doesn't fill, and then you end up getting wrecked because it works, and doesn't. Now, of course, if I have a play down there and it's around that level, and there's other indications, and I want to count that in as well and factor it in, fine. But I don't look at CME caps as on its own, if that makes sense. Is Link still in play for the bull run? It is. I personally got out and put it all into Foxy, but that's just me. I just wanted more Foxy. What are your thoughts on Matic? I think it might do well later on in the bull market, just like we said about AVAX. It's just that Matic hasn't had its turn yet. Older coins should do well because that's all the newbies. Yeah, but that's why I've been telling you from the get-go, that at some point older coins are going to do well. And everyone's saying, oh, new coins only. I'm like, no, don't do it. And I've been warning you about that shit. You should also, you have a mix of your portfolio, you should mix in some old coins as well. Like Solana, for example. Fetch moving, what do you think? I think it's about fucking time because I have a shitload of it. What is it doing? Let's have a look here. Yeah, let's see what happens. Thoughts on ArcBlock? I'm not in ArcBlock. I know it's good. I know it made a lot of profits. And I didn't get in, so I'm not even thinking about it. Should I sell my meme coins and get into some RWA coins? Probably some deepen in AI. But selling some of your meme coins, yes. But selling all of your meme coins all the way out depends on the meme coins you're holding. If you're holding the meme coins I'm holding, then no. You should hold them and buy RWA later. Or buy some RWA with money. Well, almost 50,000 subscribers. Really? Are we up there yet? I know I had 45,000, almost 49,500 or some shit like that. Am I up that fast? Here, let me show you the back of my... Let me show you what's going on YouTube. This is the back end of my YouTube so you can see exactly what's going on, what I see. So, inside information here. At 49,446. Yeah, so we're up 392 subscribers during the last 28 days. That's not bad. Views are up. Watch time's up. Estimated revenue. For those people saying, hey, he's in it for the views. He just wants to make money from the views. Yeah, I made $277 this month. Thank you. This is how I live. I'm making videos so I can live off of crypto revenue. Let's see. Look at this. In October, I made a whole $169, guys. $235 before that. Crazy. $128. Oh my God. August. I went on vacation with $128. Yeah, I'm in it for the. I want to get views so I can get that money. Those comments are like, oh, he just wants views so he can get money. Yeah, that's what I'm going for, man. Let's have a look. Dashboard. Go to your video analytics. This one's taking off well. This one right here. Elon Musk's secret plan. Crazy. Anyway, let's have a look what other questions we have here. Hey Paul, going to work soon. Let me know your minimum Delicium prediction. I don't have a prediction for Delicium. All I said was to buy nodes and take profits on the way up. Gonna watch later on. Okay, man. Thank you. Thoughts on... And I don't have any. Avigotchi, or Dog. Dogecoin, yes. I still have it. I love Dogecoin. I've been telling you about Dogecoin since the last cycle too. Even the one before that, from my other channel as well. Hey, I like your honesty on XRP. All these pumpers and hypers don't tell the truth, especially the movement I am in. Yeah, you can still make money, man. It's just that people are overhyping it, and a lot of influencers are bluntly, straight out fucking lying. Oh, XRP just did this. No, it didn't. And that's why they lose their credibility. That's why you know they're poor and they want to dump on you, because they don't know what they're trying to pump it up with, like, lying. And I hate that shit. I fucking hate that shit. That's why I'm not into XRP. Like, I got in, took the trade at 72 cents, got out, put it into Stellar. Stellar pumped. Good with Stellar. I'd rather hold Stellar. Chuck, my man, says, before the dump that may come between Christmas and Trump getting sworn in, should we take 20, 30% off? Yeah, probably. But we'll talk about it when the time comes, Chuck. Definitely, if you're in the group, which you are, you'll see it. What do you think is the best time to get out of the market time range, time-wise? Well, it's you usually have to wait and see the charts for that. It's hard to say, but I would say take profits at the end of the year, beginning 2025, and then rebuy after the dump. And if there's no dump, we'll take it from there. Eat ice cream on live. I was thinking about that. Maybe next time. Rene Montenegro, what's up, man? Azar says, hey Paul, what can Render do this cycle? Probably about 5-10x so far. Then we can reevaluate. What's up, Stanko? The FTX of this bear cycle will be MicroStrategy. Will it though? Will it? I don't know. We'll see. I don't think so. Not the FTX, no. I don't think Michael Saylor is going to get destroyed. I keep on hearing this. And I think people that say this don't understand how exactly MicroStrategy is working with debt and how it's relevant to people that can. See, there are certain companies that cannot buy Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So what MicroStrategy does, it issues debt and sells them debt, which then converts to Bitcoin. So this is why the stock can be higher than the Bitcoin price and it makes more money. Because it's the only way for some people to be able to access into Bitcoin. And even in the bear market, it's just going to keep on buying. So I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Maybe it gets wrecked, but it'll come back. And I don't think it's going to be an FTX situation. So I disagree with that. And I think Ivan on Tech said that, and I disagree with him. Phantom's still good? No, we're out of Phantom for a while, man. Everything is down today. Good. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Hey, Paul, you always have my like. Thank you, man. In your opinion, based on charts, when do you think expect the correction? Well, I can't tell you the exact day, and I know it happened Black Friday. Doesn't mean it's going to happen Black Friday. Usually the seasonality is good. I don't look at specific days. Oh, you're saying that Black Friday is a good day? Yeah, I don't look at specific days. I look at seasonality. So towards the end of the year. Can I give a price prediction of Mavia? No, I haven't charted it, man. I'm sorry. But I do think it's going to go up. Maybe 5-10x. I expect a dip in 90. It doesn't mean it's not going to keep going up. 91, 93 area. We already called that, dude. If bigger than 85, yeah, possible. So are we, but if I'm talking about a massive dip, about 30, 40% though, towards the end of the year. So 1/3 of your Bitcoin. So down to maybe from 120, I believe, maybe, I'm just saying, go down to about 80, 70. Nice, it will kick a lot of people's asses. Not sure if it's going to happen before. Maybe we have a 20% dip like we had last time, and then another 20%, then another one that's dev. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So are we all in alt season? So did you just join us something? Watch the live stream from the beginning, man. I'm not going to give it to you that easy, bro. You're going to have to work. You're going to have to work for the answer. You go to the beginning and watch it. If fetch moves, Powell will blast. Yeah, I believe so. It will do well. Market is getting red by now. You should have already bought, so why buy again? If it goes down more, then buy. Before watching you, I am in XRP coin. After listening to you, I diversified my portfolio. Whoa, now I am happy and rich. Thank you. I love hearing that, Mohammed. Congratulations, man. Love it. I love stories like this. It makes me want to keep going. Congratulations, bro. Confident on Doge to $1? Yeah, I'm pretty confident. It could go even more, by the way. ICP, no. I'm not into ICP. I don't like ICP. People got wrecked on ICP. Jerry Banfield wrecked the fuck out of people in ICP. I wanted to make a video. I watched some of his videos because I wanted to make a reply video. And then I felt like I'd be an idiot for attacking him. But I kept on warning all of you to fucking ignore him and not get into ICP. Even if it pumps 100x tomorrow, you still made more profits if you weren't in it. ICP is the XRP of this bull run. What do I think of else? I think that's what's going to happen. So I'm going to start making fun of the ICP army. FTX starting payment new year 2025. Yeah, so. What do I think of LCX and Giphy? I don't have any of them that I remember anyway. Jasmine to $3 on February 25. You snooze, you lose. Thank you, Schiller. You have some bags, huh? I hope you're right, man, just for everyone in Jasby. But I don't really care about it. If Trump can pass no tax on AMC crypto, yeah. Selling in early 2025 before he's sworn in is not a good idea. It depends on the dump, dude. If we see their support breaks, you sell, then you buy back, man. Thoughts on ADA? Good for your portfolio. Now the ADA has changed its narrative as well. It used to be, let's go do blockchains in different countries and shit, and let's go chase aliens, to, okay, we're working with America, we're working with Bitcoin. So ADA might do something. I don't have a price prediction for ADA, man. We called all-time highs in the last bull market. But right now, I don't have a price prediction for ADA. ICP, one of the fastest blockchains, though, because it's crazy. Yeah, because no one's on it. Or no one's using it. Good night. Good idea. I'm going to go have that ice cream, man. I'm going to have that ice cream. Thank you very much. Hit the like button. Really appreciate you all for being here. How do we see your portfolio? Get into the private group, man. Links in the description down below. Love you all. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.